right, so let's draw a line drawing up to couples. It's like a graphical presentation, so we are just drawing the outlines here. Okay, so let's draw the boy first. And the styles of the hair you can see. Okay, all right. Putting hands inside the pocket, and now I'm going to draw the pants here. This is going to be the very basic drawing. All right, and drawing the girl now. Okay, designs of the hair you can see, looks good. Okay, the hands in the back. All right, and the hair you can see. Extensions of the hair. Okay, she's wearing a skirt, nice skirt. All right, and the hands. Okay, and the legs here, and another shoe. She's standing on a tool. So these are the four legs of the tool you can see here. All right, and the few grasses at the bottom. We're going to put the lots of other grasses here, but let's use a separate color. Okay, so this is the usual line drawings. Now if you like, you can put the colors. Let's put the purple color for the boy, and the dress just a simple color. And pink color for the girl. Awesome. The dress you can see it's nicely visible. And we're going to put the blue color for the pants here. All right, and a darker color for the shoes. Okay, so more black for the head. Just putting the outlines. Okay, so it's like a graphical presentation, so all the shapes and the details may not be fully 100% accurate, but we try to present the visual presentations of the symbols. Let's put the love sign in the air. Okay, and a few strokes of the greeneries. And with the crayons, you can see. Alright, so this is the drawing. I hope you like it. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on top. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.